am a part of the earth's natural rhythm, and every breath connects me deeper to its calming presence. With every sound of nature, I feel more at peace, grounded in the present moment. The tranquility of nature flows through me, cleansing my mind of all worries. I am in harmony with the world around me, and every element of nature nurtures my spirit. Like the trees, I stand strong and resilient, deeply rooted in my own strength. With every gentle breeze, I feel my thoughts clearing and my inner calm emerging. The warmth of the sun's rays reflects the warmth in my heart, filling me with joy and peace. I am grateful for the earth's abundant beauty, and I cherish its presence in every moment. The flowing water mirrors the flow of life. I am at ease with its changing pace. The soothing sounds of nature remind me that I am surrounded by beauty and serenity. As the birds sing their songs, I too find my unique voice and sing along in harmony. I am nurtured by the earth, embraced by the sky, and invigorated by the breath of life. With each rustle of leaves, my mind becomes more tranquil and my heart more serene. The stability of the mountains inspires me to find inner strength and stability within myself. I am open to the lessons nature offers me, learning to grow, adapt, and flourish in every season.